How to transfer data from old Samsung to new Samsung Galaxy. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Go to Play Store and then search for Smart Switch. So if you cannot find it here, you should definitely find it in your Galaxy store. In most of the Samsung devices, this application is auto installed. So simply open Smart Switch, and then if you have any update, update it. After that, you all have to do is join your two phones using a USB cable, and then send data from the one that you want to send from. And if you are in the receiving end, tap on receive data and select all the data that you want to transfer, receive it from the receiver side, and you will be done. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.